Hey, welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. In today's video, I'm going to show you my garden, my backyard, and some of my front yard. We moved here in December of last year, so this is all new to us, and we're really enjoying seeing what comes up. Hope you enjoy. We had no idea this chair back was buried there. We were just cleaning up around this shed and I seen a few slats and told my husband, oh, we got some treasure. And he pulled it up and this is what we found. No other pieces were found, so I guess it was just laid back there and forgotten at one point. I think this bush is called a quince. If you know any different, please let me know in the comments below. So I'm walking around cleaning up the fence line and I notice this and get to looking a little bit closer and figure out it's a snake. I think likely at some point it got hit by a mower or maybe a weed whacker and half of it crawled up there and died. And by the time we moved in, it was rotten pretty good and you can see all the little bones in the little snake. I thought it was pretty cool, that's why I'm sharing it. A good portion of this video and some of these pictures are from really early spring. So as you go through this video, you'll see lots of things have grown a whole lot more. You can see the mint coming up through the floorboards in the deck. This red bud outside of my kitchen window was just beautiful. Certain times of the day, it just would glow. I loved it. It's my neighbor's. This is my grand dog, Honey. She is smelling the flowers we planted at the old house last year that my daughter is currently staying in. Woke up real early one morning to see this little guy sneaking around. Got a quickie video of him. I don't know about you, but watching a tree come down is cool. So I threw the camera up, got some video of my neighbor having a tree removed. So many things coming up in this yard. This is one that I was really excited to see, a beautiful lilac bush. Here you see all of the mint growing up through our deck boards. The people had no idea there was a mint patch there when they built the deck over the winter. That's okay though, it smelled really good when you would walk through it. When we finally got around to pulling it all up, I did go ahead and make mint syrup with it. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in my recipe. Look at that dirt, it's beautiful. He is planting brandywine tomatoes, my favorite. I can hardly wait for these snow peas. Thai dragon and pequin peppers are planted here.
See? Big, medium, small. I mean, okay.
My favorite little boy didn't really want to stand next to the irises so that I could take his picture. But he did it anyway, and look at how cute he is, even mad. Purple iris is my all-time, long-time, most favorite plant. Just love that brilliant purple against the green. The little yellow finches were running into our patio doors, one right after another, 15 or 20 times a day. No joke. So I went to the Dollar Tree, bought some of this little blue shiny star garland, and attached it to the doors with little suction cups. No more bird strikes. The backyard neighbor bulldogs love us and all come to the fence when they see us outside wanting their bellies scratched. The previous owners loved lilies. I believe these to be day lilies. They are everywhere. Another kind of lily. I hope they're a Japanese lily. We've had them before, and they were beautiful. We no longer live in the country, but I'll never, ever get rid of my signs. There are a lot of other things planted in the garden. I believe there are some radishes, some lettuce, cabbage, potatoes, green beans, and a whole variety of different herbs. We got a little bit of a rainstorm right after we planted the seeds, and the little spot the herb garden is in filled up with water, so maybe we'll have a whole bunch of herbs in one spot. It's yet to be seen. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the new things I plan to put out during the summer months.